Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw money from LSSC crypto account and transfer it to your crypto.com exchange. If you are earning or holding your crypto in LSSC and now you want to move those funds to your crypto.com account for trading, staking or cashing it out to fiat currency, you are in the right place. This guide will walk you through step by step how you can get the deposit address from crypto.com, how you can choose the correct coin and the network, and safely complete the transfer from LSSC. So whether you are a beginner or just want to avoid any kind of common errors, this tutorial will help you do everything right from the first step. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on lightsha.com. Over here, provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. Now we need to access the withdraw option. For that, you can just tap on the my option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then select the option of withdrawal. Or if you want to access it from the home page, you need to come back on the home page, then tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen and select the option of withdrawal. Now whichever method you choose, you will be landed here on this wallet address page, or this is basically your withdrawal page. Here you can withdraw USDT and USDC, and you can deposit Ethereum and Bitcoin, but you cannot withdraw them. You need to first of all convert them into USDT and USDC, and only then you will be able to withdraw it in this form. Now select which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You can withdraw USDT on the Polygon network and on the TRC20 network. For USDC, only one network is available, which is Polygon. Now for crypto.com, I would recommend you to select the Polygon network because you may not be able to find TRC20 network there. So let's say I have selected USDT Polygon network. So after checking it just like so, it is going to ask you for the wallet address. In order to get this address, you need to simply launch your crypto.com application, and here you need to basically log in into your account. Over here, tap on the accounts tab in the bottom and then wait for some time until it shows you further options. Among the given further options, simply select crypto wallet. Over here you will see the list of all of the cryptocurrencies that you hold, and in the total balance you will see that here in the top. So you need to basically select that particular coin which you want to receive, which in our case is USDT. So tap on USDT first, then select the option of transfer here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here select the option of deposit, then select the network. Now as soon as you tap on this drop down menu, it is going to show you all of the networks which you can basically use in order to successfully deposit the crypto or the USDT in your crypto.com account. As you can see over here, the TRC20 option is not available, so you need to select the Polygon network. After selecting Polygon, it is going to show you the wallet address, so you need to copy this from here, then go back to your LSSC account, paste the address in this wallet address section and click on the conservation option here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw from your LSSC account. Then you need to submit your withdrawal request. Now withdrawal request may take some time in getting your crypto.com account because this need the approval from your manager maybe. So you need to simply just wait for some time until your transaction request is completed and until you get the money in your crypto.com account. Now if you face any kind of problem while getting the money from LSSC to your crypto.com account, you can basically contact to the customer support team in this regard from LSSC. Now once you have the money available in your crypto.com account, you can basically either use that USDT in order to purchase any other cryptocurrencies, or you can also sell that cryptocurrency and get the money in your bank account. So let's explore both of these options as well. So first, let's say you want to buy any other cryptocurrencies using that USDT. So here on the homepage of crypto.com, you will see bunch of different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, etc. But if you want to get more cryptocurrencies, you can tap on the accounts tab and then go to the crypto wallet option. Over here you can search for the cryptocurrencies. Let's say you want to buy Ethereum, so you need to simply tap on it and wait for some time until it shows you its chart and the current available price. So here you can see we have Ethereum. Now you can just scroll down and take a look at bunch of different information about it, like the all-time high, the currently trading price, the market cap, the 24-hour volume. If you are certain that you want to buy this particular coin, simply tap on the buy Ethereum option here in the bottom. Then it is going to show you this type of page in front of you. Over here, instead of cash, you need to select crypto, and now you need to basically select USDT and select the option of buy. So this way you will be able to use your existing USDT in order to purchase Ethereum or any other of your favorite cryptocurrencies. Now in order to sell the USDT and get the money in your bank account, you need to come back here on the home page of crypto.com. Over here, tap on the sell option on the home page. Now after tapping on the sell option, it is going to basically show you this type of pop-up in the bottom, where it is going to show you the list of all of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your account. So you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to sell, which in our case is USDT. So after selecting USDT, you need to basically follow further instructions in order to sell it successfully. You may be asked to provide your banking details, so you need to provide that, and once it is added successfully from your fiat wallet, you will be able to get it in your account. So here we have the sell cryptocurrency option. Select 25%, 50%, 75%, or you can also sell the maximum. After selecting it, simply tap on the sell option, and your USDT will come in your fiat wallet, and again from that fiat wallet you can get the money in your bank account. So this way you will be able to get the money from LSSC to your crypto.com account, and you can now use that money in order to purchase the cryptocurrencies and in order to sell it and get the money in your bank account. Now if you face any kind of problems, whether from the side of LSSC or crypto.com, you can certainly contact to their customer support team. If this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto how-to guides, and leave a comment if you want to see a tutorial on Binance Trust Wallet Robinhood next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.